This is not Switzerland. It is not a movie set. This place is so beautiful. Mahatma Gandhi himself gave this place a name. And believe me, it lives up to the eye. Welcome to Sandur. And this is why you have to see this in September. Getting here is part of the magic. You leave the city bus behind, and with every kilometer, the world just gets greener. The air gets cooler, cleaner. You can literally smell the rain washed earth and its full sensory reset. So, what is the big deal with September? After monsoon, this entire valley explodes into thousands of green shades. The hills look like they have covered with velvet. The forests are dense and alive. And the sky puts up a show every single day. But the story that really makes this place special comes from one of the India's most famous figure. When Mahatma Gandhi visited, he was so captivated by the sheer overwhelming beauty of this place in September that he coined the phrase that struck ever since. See Sandur in September. See Sandur in September. This wasn't a suggestion, this was a declaration, a recognition that this landscape at this specific time is something truly spiritual. And you will feel it. It is more than just a pretty view. It is a feeling in the world of constant noise and notification. This place is ultimate digital detox. It is just you, these rolling hills, and the sense of peace that hard to describe. Here's a pro tip. Sandur is just a stone throw away from the World Heritage Center Hampi. So you can spend a day exploring the ancient city among boulders, and the next day you lose yourself in this living, breathtaking natural paradise. It's just a perfect combination. So see Sandur in September is not just a catchphrase, it is an invitation. An invitation to witness nature at its most vibrant, to walk the same hills that inspired Gandhi, and to find a piece of tranquility that will stay with you for long time. I really hope you get this experience one day. So that's it for this adventure. Now I want to hear from you. What is the most beautiful natural place you visited? Let's share some hidden gems in the comment below. If you felt the peace of the place through the screen, please hit the like button. And if you want to join with me for more journeys like this, make sure you subscribe. Until next, stay curious and keep exploring. Bye.